Your SIEM is collecting logs, but is it collecting answers? Every day, security teams process thousands of alerts, dashboards, and reports, yet many organizations still struggle to answer a critical question. Can we reliably detect real threats while proving our security controls are working? As environments grow more complex, monitoring alone is no longer enough. Governance alone isn't enough either. Effective security requires both. Briskinfosec's security monitoring and governance service helps organizations transform fragmented monitoring into a mature, evidence-driven security program. We begin with a monitoring maturity assessment to evaluate existing monitoring capabilities, identify visibility gaps, and uncover improvement opportunities. Next, we optimize log sources to ensure critical security events are captured and correlated effectively. Our detection engineering services strengthen your ability to identify meaningful threats while reducing blind spots. We then fine-tune alerts, helping security teams focus on what truly matters instead of chasing unnecessary noise. Finally, we enhance SOC processes to improve investigation workflows, response efficiency, and operational consistency. Throughout the engagement, every recommendation, milestone, and improvement is shared transparently, giving you complete visibility into your security posture. The result? Stronger detection capabilities, better governance, greater operational confidence. Because security isn't about generating more alerts, it's about generating the right outcomes. Let's show you how on a quick call. Reach out today.